IR2 is just arbitrary, just now reference with respect to IR2. I know that IR2 is leading IR1 by 30 degree. But that doesn't matter. I'm not doing any referencing with respect to IR1. I've just drawn IR2 first, taking that as the reference, right? That as the reference. IR2, I'm taking it as reference. Okay. So when I have taken that, this is IR2 and this is YB2. That I know because it will be same waveform but shifted by 240 degree, right? That is what I have done, right? So with respect to that, I have to do now IR2 minus IB2. So what will be the IR2 minus IB2? So that shape I will draw now. So IR2 minus IB2 is this. Okay. IR2 minus IB2 is this. And then because first is negative, then up to this is IR2 minus IB2. So it is positive, right? It is positive for this much duration, right? And then again it is more positive for this much duration. Then it is this. So you are seeing the steps, new steps are coming. You are seeing that more steps are coming in this waveform, and then it is going here and going negative. Okay, so going negative, right, and then going more negative, and then going more thin, right? So this would be the waveform of and scaling. Then IR2 minus B2 divided by 3. So if you look at it, this magnitude will be 2ID by 3, and this will be ID by 3, isn't it? This will be 2ID by 3, this will be ID by 3, so on and so forth, right? Are you getting what I am doing? This is 3. This is ID plus ID. These labels are ID. These labels are ID. These labels are ID. So 2ID by 3, and this is minus 2ID by 3, and so on and so forth. So this would be the waveform of IR2 B2. That is the waveform of IR2 B2, right? That is the waveform of, this is 0, scale, this is 0. So this is the waveform of IR2 B2. Tell me what you observe. Tell me what you observe. One interesting thing you must observe. Develop this observation. Look at IR2 and look at IR2 B2. Tell me what you observe. Look at it very clearly, carefully, IR2, and look at this thing very carefully at IR2 B2. What do you observe? A magnitude, you can see that they are different. ID and another is 2ID by 3. But anything else, anything
maybe the harmonics will be less.
No, that is a common sense you are applying.
Yeah, sir. Phase.
What?
Phase.
Yes. Tell me, what is that? The phase of R2B2 is what? The phase
That
qualitatively
same.
Not same. 30 degree shifted. This is the zero of this. This is the sinusoid of this, and here the sinusoid is this.
Yes, sir.
So what is happening? What do you see? That IR2B2 is lagging R2 by 30 degree, right? So IR2B2 lags IR2 by 30 degree. Yes or no? Yes or no? It's obvious, right? It is.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. So what does it mean? Can I say that IR1 and IR2B2 are in phase? Can I say that? I will say that IR1 and IR1 and IR2B2 are in phase. So IR1 is qualitatively here. I'm not may not be, I have not page is constant is there, but I'm still trying to draw it. That will be here. That is 30 degree here, and then going 120 degree. Right. So it will be up to this, like this. Like this, its phase will be there. Then another 30 degree, and then negative portion will come. This is what is this thing I R1. This is level of ID. Its 0 is here. Its 0 is here, and this is its sine wave. This is its sine wave. Agreed? This is it, sine wave, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? So this is IR1. IR1 will be placed here. So now we'll do the so the total current is which one? Total current, we have said that this IR1 by N and IR2B2 by N into √3. So a scaling will be there. So actually the current will be, the comparison current will be IR2B2 √3 and IR1. So we'll compare the harmonics created by IR1 and the harmonics created by √3 IR2B2. So we'll compare IR1 harmonics, that is fifth, third harmonics will not be there, fifth, seventh, and IR2B2 into √3. Because there is a scaling, because there is a trans ratio. This is fifth and seventh. N doesn't matter. N is, both of them is N, so it doesn't. It is just going there. What we have to compare is magnitude wise. I have proved that they are in phase. IR1 and IR2B2 are in phase. We have proved that. Okay. Their magnitude is scaled in this manner. Okay. Now if I see, the objective will be to see that the fifth harmonic produced by this fellow and fifth harmonic produced by this fellow are cancelling each other. Magnitude of the fifth harmonic. That means if one is positive, another is negative. Seventh harmonic, if one is positive, another is negative. If I show that, then my job is done. Okay. So even if I don't get the time to complete it, you will see that fifth harmonic produced by the IR1 current will be equal to the fifth harmonic produced by the IR2B2 √3 current with a negative sign. Similarly, the seventh harmonic produced by the IR1 current will be equal to seventh harmonic produced by the IR2B2 √3 current with a negative sign. So this way, when they get added up in the primary side, they fifth and seventh harmonic cancels each other, and the actual current waveform improves hugely, right? Which we can see here, even by looking at this. You sum up these two waveforms, this IR1 and this, you sum up, you see more steps. You can see that there is one step here which will come in the summed up current. This is a step here which will come up here. So you will see the more steps, it will look like a 12-step waveforms. The summed up current, that means I mean capital the primary side current. What I wrote, I don't know. Capital IR, let us say capital IR current. Capital IR current will have more steps that you can sketch. The capital IR current is this one. Oof. This current, capital IR current, which is will be having, because it's nothing other than summing these two, which in my opinion, you will, if you want to, when you sum, you produce a multiplying factor √3 here and add √3 factor here. The scale levels of that currents are √3 times this, right? So that's it. And there will be more steps, because here you can see that this is, second one is stepping and first one is not stepping. So every 30 degree you will get a step. I accept this portion. Here 60 degree there will be a flat, but after that every 30 degree you will be getting a step. So you will get a step, extra step here, one extra step here in the summed up current, right? So even common sense is will be telling you that you are eliminating more harmonics. This waveform has harmonics, fifth harmonic. This waveform also has fifth harmonic. Which one? This waveform has a fifth harmonic. Okay. This waveform has a fifth harmonic. Okay. First, by shifting them, I align them together. This step waveform, this waveform, this waveform, and this waveform, I align them in phase. First, I align them in phase. They are aligned. They are aligned in phase. Right? I aligned them in phase, which was not earlier, but now it is now aligned. And after aligning them, it is scaled. Okay, and this scaling, each waveform, even though they have fifth and seventh harmonic components, but when they are added up in the primary side, the fifth and seventh harmonic components are eliminated. So let me quickly, just to the extent I can complete, because I will not take any other class. You can see that what is the fifth harmonic and seventh harmonic component of these waveforms. Quickly, if I can do, I will do. Otherwise, even if it remains incomplete, you have to do it. It is nothing that Fourier series, just a. So this is basic waveform, 30 degree, 150 degree. This is the one of the waveforms. So how do I calculate the this thing? That is 4 by omega t. Integration will be happening between 30 degree to 150 degree, and the value is id, because I can take half period. So that's why 4 by omega into t is the total period. Id, this level is id into sine of n omega nt d omega nt. Let me spell n. N is the harmonic number. That is the formula of calculating this thing, Fourier series. So you will see that 4 by, this is equal to 4 by 2 pi into id into minus cos n omega nt, where it is 30 degree to 150 degree. Okay, omega nt varies from 30 degree to 150 degree. So you will see that this term fundamental means A1 is equal to 4 by 2 pi id into root 3. You will see that A5 is equal to 4 by 2 pi id into minus root 3, and A7 is equal to again 4 by 2 pi id into minus root 3. You will calculate. If you calculate, you will get this. Just putting the values, you will get this. And then let us take another one, that is the shape. That shape is this. This is the shape, and this is 2 id by 3 into root 3, and id by 3 into root 3. That is the shape. And this current, if you integrate, so an is equal to 4 by 2 pi 0 to t by 2 0 to pi 0 to pi 0 to pi is again divided into 3 parts. It is divided into 3 parts. 0 to pi by 3 id by 3 sine of n omega n t d omega n t plus pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3 and to 2 root 3 you can take it out 2 id by 3, okay, into sine of n omega n t t omega n t plus 2 pi by 3 to pi into sine of n omega n t to I only just id by 3 n omega n t into d omega n t. So this is the integration, and if you do the integration you will see that for n is equal to 1, then you will get a1 is equal to 4 by 2 pi into id into root 3, and n is equal to 5, you will get plus 4 a5, n is equal to 5, a5 is equal to 4 by 2 pi by 5 into root 3, and n is equal to 7, you will get a7 is equal to 4 by 2 pi 7 into root 3. These are positive things. These are positive numbers you are getting, and they will exactly cancel with the negative numbers that you will be getting here. This is 7, another 7. N has to be there, so it is 7. This has to be into 5. So this way, the A5 and A7 will get cancelled each other, but the other thing will get added. So that 4 id, the fundamental components will get added. 4 id by 2 pi into root 3 here, and here also 4 id by 2 pi root 3. A1 4 id by 2 pi into root 3. So these two components will be added, and the harmonic components will be cancelled. So we'll get a better shaped waveform. Better harmonic content will be harmonic content will be better, will be less, and therefore harmonic performance will be of the converter will be better. Converter will produce will inject less harmonics into that. So now the next significant harmonic will be there. So what harmonics are there? Fundamental is there. Third harmonic is not there because the waveform, basic waveform itself doesn't have fundamental. So it will have fundamental. Third will not be there. All even harmonics are not there. Third is not there. Fifth is not there. Seventh is not there. Ninth is not there. So next significant harmonics will be 11th and 13th. So in order, if you want to go and to make another 24 pulse rectifier, then 11th and 13th harmonic can be cancelled. Up to 12th so far we have said what is done with 12 pulse rectifier, right? It will cancel 5th and 7th harmonic. 3rd and 9th are not present at all, but 11th and 13th will be present in the line current. Fundamental and the next significant harmonic will be 11th and 13th, right? So with this I will conclude. If there is any issue question, please ask me in email. I will try to reply. Okay. So thank you very much for attending my classes. With that I close.
Hello, sir.